Well, hello there, Cecil County and the world. Rob Turnside here for Cecil TV. This is the weekly show. It is December the 9th, 2024. We're coming up on Christmas pretty quickly, and you're probably wondering why I'm dressed like this. I just got out of the Cecil TV morning show, which we actually aired live this morning. I had my Christmas outfit and my mistletoe mojo on, and then I went right from there to the log splitter, and right from the log splitter to a music gig at an old folks home where miraculously they let me out. And then I went to the music store, and then I came right here to TV Land to experience the magic of Cecil TV coming up in the holiday season. And let the magic begin. Let's get it rolling with Karl Reichenbach from the Chesapeake, Susquehanna, and Western Model Railroad. Karl, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me.
Now, you got a train set up like nobody would believe, and it's pretty much right down the road, right?
Yeah, it's very close to here, yes.
Well, trains are very close to my heart. I had a set when I was a kid. I had an O-gauge set, and then my parents, like probably a lot of parents, got rid of it for a smaller HO set. Yours is O-gauge.
Mine's
right?
O, yes.
And you're no stranger to the model railroad racket, right?
No, I've been doing it a long time.
Since how old were you?
Do what?
Since how old were you?
I was 3 when I got my first train. I still have it, and it still runs.
Wow. And if someone were to come to you, you're opening up your setup to the public, correct?
Correct.
Especially for the holidays.
Yes.
You have a lot of O-gauge trains.
More than I like to admit.
And it's in your house, right?
No, it has its own building. It's in back
Has
of the
its
house.
own building.
It has its own building. It has a building that's 42 by 24, and it's all layout.
And it's a wonderland of model trains for the holidays,
Little
correct?
kids love it.
You were telling me earlier, 4 trains, long trains?
There's 4 trains running during this Christmas display at one time. There's about 1,900 feet of track on the layout, and it's my job to keep them all separated.
1,900 feet, if I do the math, that's like over a third of a mile.
Yes.
So you have 2 Christmas trains, too?
There's 2 dedicated Christmas trains, which are all Christmas cars, and then there's a freight train and a passenger train. They're all actually running on the same track. I just keep them apart.
Wow. So this is not the kind of thing that you just start working on, say, like after Thanksgiving Day.
No. The layout's still, in my mind, not done. It's still under construction because I put new things on it all the time. I mean, there's no place to put any more track, but there's, details.
Well, after 39 years, you almost got it down, though, right?
Well, yeah. Most stuff usually works, yeah.
I think we need to make a little pilgrimage over there to see these trains. And if someone wanted to contact you about coming to see your trains, I know you gave me the hours, and you're open basically Tuesday and evening, Saturday and Sunday, Saturday 11 to 4 and Sunday 12 to 5, right, till
Correct.
Christmas?
Correct.
But if somebody wanted to contact you, maybe about just coming down and checking it out, you have a phone number, right?
Yes,
People
I do.
can call 410-937-4675 and check out Karl and his train setup at the Chesapeake, Susquehanna, and Western Model Railroad in a separate building here off Trinity Church Road, right?
It's on Porter Road.
Porter Road.
Which is off of England Creamery.
Okay. And, well, obviously for 39 years, you must love this stuff.
Yeah, I mean, a great part of the hobby to me is sharing it with the public.
Yes.
And over those 39 years, there's probably been 20,000 people come through that building and see it.
Wow.
I average anywhere from 800 to 1,200 people a year. We've had 3 dates, and I think I'm at like 140 so far in 3 days. So.
Wow. So it's picking up. So folks, check it out. Don't miss this train. It's a great hobby because
your wife always knows where you are.
That's right. All right. And we know where you are, and we're going to come over there.
Yep, come see us.
Thank you very much, Karl.
Thank you.